Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I create my postcards for my business. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching.
Yeah.
So first things first, you're gonna go to poster my wall, create new stuff. I like to type in thank you. Okay, so then you look through all the templates and you figure which one you would like. There's always a lot, so you could always just look for what you think fits your business the best. So today I will be showing you with this one. And then you go to create template. You resize it. You go to 4x6 landscape. And then you resize it because that's the 4x6 is the size that I will be getting for my postcard. So after you have this, you could always change the background. So you could use a solid color, like say business card, and then this is the back. So like for mine is black, so like let's say we want to make this one black. Since my color theme is purple, let's make them all purples, and we can make this one white, and then we can make this other one like a different purple. So let's say that's it.
And then let's make this one. Let's say like a gray, so it looks a little bit different. Okay, so you can always extend this out if you want to make this bigger. So let's say I don't like this. So you can always go back. Let's say I don't like this white thing, so I can easily take it out.
Then you could choose different kind of color, different kind of let's say I like this color. And then I want to outline it a little bit darker. Now the lines, the thickness. Let's say this is what we have right now. You could always add text. And then write thank you again. I'm just doing capital letters. Now let's say we're gonna make this bigger. You could click a font, so we could kind of pick like a font that kind of looks like this one. So when you pick through the fonts,
Lightheaded on edge. Why am I breathless? Too late to pretend.
okay, so I'm just gonna put
Not acting reckless. What you do to me? The tension is making little waves. You went and you messed up my gravity.
the theme is purple. Let's pick like a really light purple towards the lighter colors. Okay, and since this is in font able, let's add another text.
Lightheaded on edge. Why am I breathless? Too late to pretend. I'm not acting reckless. What you do to me? The tension is making little waves. You went and you messed up my gravity. Threw off reality.
gives it like that little effect. You could always like add shadows on it and make it like pop even more. Light shadow, strong shadow, custom shadow. You get to pick the color. So let's say we want the shadow to be white, and then you could like, I didn't like it, so I'm gonna take that off, say no shadow. And then in other words underneath it, I'm gonna write for your purchase. Let's change this to just white, and then you could write like a little note. We hope you enjoy your purchase.
I thought this was only make-believe. You went and you messed up my gravity, threw off reality. You brought back the butterflies. Oh, oh. You brought back the butterflies. Oh, oh, oh.
And then you could always move like the line spacing on here, like you can make it bigger. You could make like the line height different, make it like more, make it cover more of the page. You could give this a shadow, a light shadow, if you kind of want to make it to pop. You always want to have your website, so on the bottom I will write my website down, so it will be STQ cosmetics.com.
A minute and dive inside my memories. Bring the past back home with me. Oh, it's felt like a lifetime since then. Oh, and I'm
Make sure like everything is the size you would want it to be, and then you would just click save. Okay, so then you go to poster my wall, my stuff, and then you will make a copy. So then that's opening another one in case you want to make a back like me. So basically, you would just erase everything, use the same font and everything, and just switch it all up. So instead of it being thank you, it could say tag us.
with me. Oh, it's felt like a lifetime since then. Oh, and I'm to reopen your scars. There's a crack in the wall where the light comes through, and I wanna see it all from a close-up view. So let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Baby, let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Wanna show me who you are with your guns on the floor, and I ain't gonna come with a guard at the door. So let's uncover me, and let I uncover you. Underneath the surface, dropping every part of my defenses. Take them all away if you can handle my heart. There's a crack in the wall where the light comes through, and I wanna show it all from a close-up view. So let's uncover me.
And then just save it, and that's the back of your business card. So now you have the front and the back, and I like to print my stuff via Vistaprint. So then you would just go to marketing material, postcards, upload, and then you just upload your own design, and you pick the size you want your stuff to be, and then you're all set. Okay guys, well that was it for today's video. If you guys have any other suggestions on videos I should do, just make sure you comment them down below. I am here to help, and if you have any questions, you could always DM me on my business page, SCQ Cosmetics, and don't forget to check out my website.